For the growth of your website, in today's world, social media is critical. So you need to build social media links on your website. Now, this can be two-way. First, your website should contain links to your various social media platforms, various means how to subscribe for them, so that your visitors, people who are visiting your website, can actually subscribe to your social media. Now let us say you are active on your social media. So you would want your social media feeds to also show up on your website. When this becomes a two-way communication, it really becomes worthwhile. Also, this is the point where your website's visibility really starts growing. So, you should always target adding more and more visibility using social media. Hope you liked this. Have a good day.